Hi, this is how I make my quinoa. First, our 1 cup of quinoa, 2 cups of water, chicken bouillon, and 4 tablespoons of butter. Let's start it. Bye. Okay, let's turn on our stove to medium heat. Just pretend that you guys are making rice. We're gonna put our water now, our butter, our chicken bouillon. We're gonna boil it first and make sure that the chicken bouillon was melted and the butter before we're gonna add the quinoa. Okay, so we're gonna stir it and then make sure that the chicken bouillon melted. The reason why I'm boiling the water first and melting the chicken bouillon, because when you put the quinoa, sometimes it didn't melted, so you have to really smash it in the water. So now that our chicken bouillon melted, we're gonna start putting our quinoa. So I'm gonna let you know, guys, when it's ready, but it takes about like 10 minutes making quinoa. So when it's like kind of evaporated, like the water, we're gonna put the lid on so it will stay moist. So let's check our quinoa. Now it's cooked. It's moist. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe.